The roomy and luxurious cabin of the Lexus RX makes it a popular SUV. This sport utility vehicle, SUV, combines elements of a crossover with a roomy interior and an array of useful features. We expect nothing less than a faultless RX 2025 from Lexus, given their history of manufacturing high-quality automobiles. Consumers and reviewers alike have nothing but praise for the latest Lexus RX. A Lexus 12-speaker premium sound system, plush seats, keyless entry, LED lamps, and other high-quality interior features have made these vehicles famous in the past. Customers may relax because they provide a variety of cutting-edge services and security features. This SUV can comfortably seat 5 people in style thanks to its aero seating arrangement. Nobody will be able to take their eyes off the stunning 2025 Lexus RX concept. The front fascia has an aura of assured sophistication, drawing inspiration from the manufacturer's signature spindle grille. Slim LED headlights with intricate detailing complement the car's expressive character lines. The futuristic and athletic motif of the concept car is maintained from front to back. At its peak, the vehicle's roofline narrows to reveal a jaw-dropping spoiler. The taillights provide a modern and stylish take on driving lights with their easily identifiable L-shaped design. Aerodynamics not only give the impression that the car is fast, but they also show how little of an effect it has on the environment. It looks stunning, and it's powered by cutting-edge hybrid technology. The 2025 Lexus RX Concept's hybrid powertrain is a combination of electric motors and a strong gasoline engine that delivers thrilling performance with minimal pollution. The hybrid powertrain in this luxury SUV is widely considered to be the most efficient and powerful option available. The e-axle rear motor, inverter, reduction gearbox, and turbocharged 2.4-liter engine produce an impressive 367 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. From 0 to 60 miles per hour, the Lexus claims it takes 5.9 seconds. Almost every detail of the 2025 Lexus RX is carried over from the regular hybrid, with the exception of the high-capacity lithium-ion battery. It should take about 2.5 hours to charge when plugged into a regular 240V outlet. Charging your battery overnight is recommended if your daily commute does not exceed 35 miles each way. The rapid torque of electric motors allows for agile handling and smooth acceleration. With the development of longer-range all-electric vehicles made possible by breakthroughs in battery technology, a new era of environmentally conscious, silent urban mobility has begun.
Thanks for watching.